So, welcome to the Remodules platform. Remodules is a project regarding an holistic platform for the energy renovation of residential buildings along the European Union. That's why the platform it's not only holistic but also multi-language, and it's translated into the languages of the participant countries. But any other translation is also available to update. The Remodules platform evolves around three main objectives or main objects, which are the buildings that can be diagnosed here for estimated energy performances. You can see the different countries and regions already participated where you can do your energy diagnosis, or you can also see the success stories of already renovated buildings with not estimated but real data. The other main component of the Remodules platform are the solutions, the resources that can help you in your renovation. So you here in the landing can see the more recent resources or the most visited or the best rated and most popular in Europe or in your context according to your location. But you can also access the whole registry where you can search by word or you can filter by country or any other filters, and you can even find some predefined renovation customer journeys according to a context. The last part of the Remodules platform is about the users. Here you can find the different news regarding renovation activity around you and the different members that are active in your region. For this, you can join us, specify which is your country, and access the whole information. So you can find more information about the project in our website, and we hope to see you soon in the Remodules platform.